What's going on, fam? Hope y'all doing marvelous as always. And I wanted to just go ahead and make this here special video because as of this video a couple days ago made a whole year since I've been on YouTube. You know, time sure does move. So I wanted to go ahead and put this little compilation of whiteboard sessions together for you since, you know, I started out doing whiteboard sessions. So I just want to kind of, you know, take you all through a little bit of journey of what it is that y'all have been through with me. And, you know, also want to take the time to say thank you all who have, you know, taken this journey with me. So I hope y'all enjoy this little compilation I put together. Y'all enjoy and have yourselves a good one.